So Valve has recently teased the next generation of Steam Deck, the Steam Deck 2. And we are wondering why on earth will they think about that just after a month since the Steam Deck has started shipping? Nonetheless, we will be talking about everything we know about the next generation of Steam Deck to give you a brief idea about what to expect. So, without further ado, let's dive in. The console got teased in Valve's recently released booklet about the Steam Deck. This 50-page booklet contains numerous details regarding the Steam Deck, such as the philosophy behind this handheld console and loads of concept designs that were planned for it. But what really caught our eyes is page 26 of this booklet, where Valve stated that there will be more Steam Decks and more SteamOS in the near future. According to Twitter user Wario64, Valve states that the newer version of Steam Deck will be more open and far more capable than the currently existing Steam Deck. Perhaps a slimmer version with an OLED panel? Please make it happen, Valve! Nonetheless, it's really good to see Valve stepping into the hardware segment as well as software. The Steam Deck has been a huge hit from the start, while the SteamOS has also gained popularity among many tech enthusiasts. It would be awesome to see SteamOS standalone as well, which is likely to happen pretty soon. Now obviously, it's still pretty soon for Steam Deck 2 to arrive, considering the original Steam Deck has just started shipping. Followed by this, there are no confirmed release dates nor any hints towards when we might actually get to see the Steam Deck 2. We will be back again with more updates on the Steam Deck 2 as soon as something solid comes up about the console. So that was all about the upcoming Steam Deck 2. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.